What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Modded Projects Garage. Today we are talking about the C5 yet again. I feel bad for my square body right now. She's getting dust collected on it, but we will be getting into that soon, I promise. If you guys are following the channel for that, that'll be coming up here shortly. Really want to get that thing painted, but back to the C5. So we are getting a BTR Stage 3 NA cam for the C5, and I bought the cam kit, so I'm getting the springs, all yada yada, everything to do it. I didn't get the trunnion upgrade kit, which I really want to get just for peace of mind. I got a balancer because I believe mine is going out because it's starting to wobble and I'm hearing some squeaking, and I'm assuming that's what it's coming from. It's not a bad squeak, but definitely noticeable when I'm driving it. And I picked up an LS6 intake. I'm actually really happy with how this deal turned out. I just searched on a local marketplace that my area has, and I found this LS6 intake, which is pretty rare to find locally, really. I haven't really seen anybody selling these locally, but I found an LS6 intake. The guy had the gaskets, and I picked the whole thing up for $250, and he actually threw in some tires here. They're not perfect. This one's actually patched. That one looked all right. They do have some flat spots, but that's boring stuff, so I'm not going to talk about that anymore. But yeah, I cannot wait, guys, to get this thing cammed. So I think I'm going to start tearing this thing down within the next week or two. I just want to get it ready. The cam should be here hopefully the end of next week, if not the beginning of the week after. But I'm going to get this thing ready to go. I'm going to have to get some tools that I need, like the specialty tools. I have pretty much all the other tools. I should be good on that. But I'm going to have to get something to hold the valves up for when I'm doing the new valve springs. I'm going to have to get a valve spring compressor, yada yada. So I'm going to try and find somebody locally. Hopefully somebody has those tools that I can borrow. I'm going to go to AutoZone, rent some other stuff if I can. But yeah, the C5 is going to be sounding different. She's going to be making good power, hopefully. I'm hoping around 4. I am sticking with the stock heads right now because I don't have the funds to do the LS6 heads that I would like to do, or any aftermarket head at the moment. So my stock LS1 heads are staying on. I'm not sure if I'm going to need injectors yet. I haven't really read up on the BTR Stage 3 if it's going to need bigger injectors or if I'm going to be pushing the limit on that, but I might do a little more research on that, and we'll really find out when I get this thing dyno tuned. But yeah, that is basically it. I did have a list of parts that I will put in the description that I got, and I did get the LS2 timing chain. I did order that. I didn't get a dampener yet. I'm still debating on that because I need a adapter kit because I have a 2000. And I know the 01 to 04, I believe, have the provisions for the dampener for the chain, but we're just going to be waiting on that. I don't really think I need it. So that is the plan for the C5. Super excited, guys. This thing's going to be sick. I got the headers X-pipe in. If you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that video out. Definitely woke this thing up at wide open throttle. It got a little bit louder at idle. The catback, the Billy Boat Fusions, I'm still on the fence about, but it does sound great at wide open throttle, and I think the cam will definitely wake this thing up some more, obviously. But that's what we got going on for the C5 right now, guys. And like I said, if you guys are here for the truck content, it is going to be coming. I really want to get this thing painted before the summer's over, so I'm going to have to get a hold of some of my buddies. Alex, if you're watching, I need your help, buddy. I want to get this thing done. He's actually got a really cool project too. Shout out to him. He is going to be turboing his 3rd gen. So I'm going to have to try and get some of that action on the channel here because that thing's going to be sick. Thing's going to rip. But yeah, that's what we got going on. So when I get the parts, I will do a video. I'm going to do a breakdown video of taking this thing apart. And then I'll do a video of me installing, and then we're going to have a video, obviously, of what this girl is going to sound like. And then I'm going to get the tune scheduled and we'll get everything rocking and get this thing back on the road after all is said and done. So if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Things are going to get juicy around here now. And we might be going to Mexico a couple times this year, even with the COVID-19 pandemic. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Check out my other videos on the C5. Truck content on the way. All right, guys, thanks for watching.